Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this like black smoky kind of wing look. I know for my eyes, since they're hooded, it's kind of harder to kind of get eyeshadow to kind of show up. You know, like when your eyes are like, you know, when you're like looking down and you're doing it, you can see it, but like when you're looking up, you can't really see it like that. I'm going to show you guys how I can still do like dramatic looks and it can still be seen. And I went ahead and I did this one. I'm probably going to go back and fix this one a little bit, but I do my left anyways because it's hard for me to do my left, but I'm gonna show you how to do my right one. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned and keep on watching. So the first thing that I do is I get some concealer, and I just put, for this look, I just put the concealer just straight on my lid. Just to form the shape a little bit. And just put a little amount. You don't need a lot, I'm telling you. That's actually too much. Take whatever you want to use to blend it. You can use your finger, you can use your beauty blender, whatever you want to use, and just like lightly blend it out. Okay, so then what you do next is I take a brush like this. Just find some black eyeshadow, doesn't matter which kind, and just kind of pack it on. I'm using Roulette by ColourPop, just a super soft shadow. It's matte. Take a brush and just like from the bottom of your lid to the top, just kind of slowly just pack it on. And then start to form the shape of your lid. I noticed now that when I was doing this lid, I didn't go high enough. See, it's not that hard to fix. Just go a little higher and just blend it out better. It won't take much. But it's like now, as I know, for a better step, just to go in with this color and just go higher. Cause honestly, with hooded lids, you just have to go a little higher than you would expect. I'm not saying high where you high fiving your eyebrows with eyeshadow, but like high, but you like still see it. Cause like it's nothing more annoying than doing all of this for eyeshadow look up, and then you realize like you did all that and nobody can even see it. Okay, make that shape. Have concealer on my eyelashes, that's fine. So then we go in with just this brush and just kind of go towards the end of your eye and kind of just blend it out so you can kind of form that wing. Just taking like the excess eyeshadow and you're just gonna form that wing. It's too much on the brush, so I'm just going in and just wiping it with my hand and then trying to go back in and kind of form the wing again. You can take that packing brush that you used before and just lightly kind of just add on a little more eyeshadow. I put in way too much. So then we're gonna go in with this brush. It's like, honestly, makeup is like a learning practice. You just gotta like learn. Practice makes perfect. And I haven't been doing makeup in a minute. Like, I don't know what it's been into me. Like, honestly, like, I just kind of had to take a break from everything and kind of sort myself out. But like I said in my previous video, like, this year's my year. Like, it's up from here. I just gotta, you know, put in the work and go hard for it. But I want this, and it's gonna happen because I want it. I'm just going in my finger, kind of just making the wing a little more sharp. I'm gonna go in with a lighter blending brush and just kind of try to smoke that out a little bit more. Like, honestly, like working with black eyeshadow, everything is just about like blending. It's a little bit darker. that one. So then we'll take this and we'll just tap on the outer corner of your eye and then just like lightly blend that out. If I'm looking to my right, it's because I'm looking at, it's like a mirror right there. Okay. So then, after all of that, we're gonna go in and we're like gonna blend the actual lid, like blend like the crap out of it. We're trying to get rid of it, like make it look seamless. And then I'm actually gonna go in and blend this as well, just to kind of make it more cohesive, make it look better. Going with a better blending brush. You guys, like I actually like buy better brushes, so like makeup game is gonna go crazy. I'm not gonna put this in the video because that was corny. Eight. And then just lightly just go in and blend out the right eye. It's a little process. Then we go back with the Roulette from ColourPop, back with the packing brush, and we're gonna go back in and pack on some more just to make sure it's as black as it could possibly be. Take this brush, go back in, blend it out. Give me 1 second. Okay, so after all that, I'm going to take your middle finger, go on with this Morphe 35U palette, take this color right here, and just pack it on the lid. It'll really make the eye pop. Okay. And then again, blend it out like rest the process. Okay. Now when that's done, we're going to take just a tiny brush. Low key, you don't feel like this. Okay, bump that. We're gonna take this brush and we're gonna pack on more Roulette and go in on the lower lid. So we have to go in the other one because I did that time and it was more precise. So we're gonna just take this brush and just line the lower lid. Okay. Then I'm in shambles. Okay, so then the look is basically done. I'm just gonna go throw some dramatic lashes because I keep losing my wispy lashes, whatever. But I'm just gonna throw on some lashes and then like this is the end of the look. So give me a minute and I'll be right back.